This is NikkiPursuit, kicking off the weekend on Saturday, February 7th, 2026 at Los Angeles Cruise Night in Hawthorne, where my friend Rosendo and I hit the street scene at 1114 Main Street from 5 to 11 p.m. Cars, music, vendors and pure LA car culture set the tone. As night falls over Hawthorne, the cruise lights up in a way that only Los Angeles can. Being here at LA Cruise Night on Main Street isn't just about the cars. It's about history, culture, and community rolling together down the same street. Lowrider culture has deep roots in LA, beginning in the 1940s and 50s with Mexican-American youth in East Los Angeles, who used cars as a canvas for identity and expression. These weren't just vehicles, they were moving works of art, lowered low, cruising slow, and built with creativity, ingenuity, and pride. From hand-painted murals to custom interiors and hydraulics that made cars dance, lowriders became symbols of resilience, culture, and belonging. Car clubs formed like families, sharing craftsmanship, style, and respect for the craft. Even when the culture faced resistance and anti-cruising laws, it endured. And today, lowriding is recognized as a legitimate art form, even showcased in places like the Peterson Automotive Museum. Standing here at Hawthorne Cruise Night, you can feel that legacy in every polished chrome, every laid-out car, and every slow roll down the street. It's not just a meet, it's a living piece of LA history in motion. Exploring the night market at the meet with Rosendo, we were soaking in everything: the lights, the music, the builds, the community. And of course, you can't walk past the snack vendors without stopping. Chamoy gushers? Say less. Sweet, spicy, a little messy, but completely worth it. Moments like this are what make these nights more than just car meets. They're full experiences. These cars roll by, there's something powerful about the sound of rubber meeting pavement, and that story actually starts back in the 1960s. Burnouts weren't originally about showmanship, they were practical. In early American drag racing, drivers would spin their rear tires in what's called a water box to heat them up and improve traction before launching down the strip. It was about grip, it was about performance. Pioneers like Don Garlitz and TV Tommy Evo helped popularize the technique, making it a staple at the starting line. But over time, something shifted. What started as preparation turned into celebration. Drivers began using burnouts not just before races, but after victories, a way to mark a moment. In 1997, Alex Zanardi brought celebratory burnouts into global motorsport attention, and by 2001, NASCAR drivers like Kevin Harvick made it a signature victory move. Then came another evolution, especially in places like Australia, where burnouts transformed into full-scale competitions. No longer just functional, they became spectacle. Dedicated events, judged performances, massive crowds, more like a rock concert than a race day. Today, burnouts are often about entertainment and car control. Modern burnout cars are heavily modified. Blower motors, reinforced cooling systems, custom paint, sometimes even full show interiors. Some drivers push the limits, spinning until the tires explode in smoke and rubber confetti. From traction tool to cultural statement, burnouts represent power, control, celebration, and sometimes rebellion. And when you hear that engine rev and see smoke start to rise, you're not just watching rubber burn. You're watching decades of automotive history unfold in real time. From there, Rosendo and I wrapped up the night the best way you can after a car meet, with a stop at Krispy Kreme for some fresh donuts. There's something about late-night car talk and sugar that just hits different. After that, we walked around Walmart for a bit, still running on that cruise night energy, just decompressing and reliving everything we had just seen. Good laughs, and just taking a moment to appreciate the memories we made. From car meets to classic film cars, this weekend really had a little bit of everything. And honestly, that's what it's all about. Great experiences, great company, and ending it all on a high note.